Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 6, Unit 17, Structure of Earth. Topics: Structure of Earth, External structure of Earth, Mountain, Plain, Valley, Plateau, River, Lake, Sea, Internal structure of Earth, Structure of Earth. Earth is not completely spherical. It is slightly flat at poles and bulges at equator. So the diameter of the equatorial part of the Earth is 12,756 km, whereas that of polar part is 12,714 km. The Earth is only one planet where the existence of life is possible because of following reasons. Presence of sunlight and suitable temperature. Presence of water. Presence of oxygen in the atmosphere. It is seen blue in color from the space. Because water is present on its surface. The Earth is divided into three parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. The land part of the Earth is called lithosphere. The water part of the Earth is called hydrosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air, is called atmosphere. External structure of the Earth. The outer part of the Earth is hard and about 50 km in thickness. One-fourth of the Earth's surface is covered with land, and 3/4 part is covered with water. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, which is 8,848 meters high from the sea level. The water part of the earth consists rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. The land part of the earth consists mountains, valleys, and plains. Mountain. The land mass about 300 meters or higher than it from the sea level is called mountain. The mountain more than 1,829 meters height has snowfall throughout the year is called Himal. Example, Mount Everest. Plain. The land mass which is up to 200 meters height from the sea level is called plain. Example, Tarai region of Nepal. The plain is fertile because it is formed by the deposition of soil and humus carried by the rivers. The soil of plain is suitable for cultivation. Valley. The plain surrounded by the mountains is called valley. Example, Kathmandu, Pokhara, Dang, Surkhet, Arun. Valleys are more fertile because biomass carried by the rivers from surrounding mountains are deposited in the plain. Plateau. The high land mass with a plain surface at the top is called plateau. Example, Tibet. River. The big mass of continuous flowing water is called river. Example, Kosi, Gandaki, and Karnali. Rivers are originated from sources of water like lakes or Himalayas. Rivers are used for fishing, irrigation, hydropower production. Lake. The big mass of water surrounded by the land is called lake. Example: Radha, Tilicho, Phewa Lake. Lakes are very attractive place for tourism. Lakes are used for fish farming, boating, as well as source of water. Sea. The huge mass of water on the surface of the earth is called sea. Example: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Ocean. Sea is also known as the base of development because it is easy and cheap means of transportation. Sea can be used for fishing and cultivation of marine plants and animals. Sea is also the huge habitat of the aquatic life. Internal structure of the earth. Even the outer part of earth is cool. The inner part contains molten rocks and metals. The internal structure of earth is divided into 4 layers: crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called crust. Its thickness is up to 50 km. It is made up of soil and rocks. People make their homes and cultivate in this layer. Oceans, rivers, forests, and mountains are situated on this layer. Mantle. The layer just below the crust is mantle. Its thickness is about 2900 km. It is made up of hard silicate, iron, and magnesium. Its temperature is about 750 degrees Celsius to 2500 degrees Celsius. Substances on this layer are solid and flexible state. Outer core. The layer just below the mantle is called outer core. Its thickness is about 2100 km. It is made up of metals like iron, cobalt, and nickel. Its temperature is about 2500 degrees Celsius to 3000 degrees Celsius. Rocks and metals are in molten state. Inner core. The central part of the earth is called inner core. Its thickness is about 1300 km. It is made up of molten iron, cobalt, and nickel. Its temperature is about 3000 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. The molten matters in this layer remain in the dense, tight, and in solid state. Because of the high pressure in this layer.